Good morning, everybody. It's Ellery here, and I am about to go to epcot. I'm here with Sydney, Emily, and Sophie, and we're about to head to Disney's epcot, and we're just gonna have a great day, so come with us. Look at those cuties.
Well,
do you wanna, are we about to?
Are we about to?
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
First festival food of the day, I got a honey mustard chicken flatbread from the Honey Bistro. So let's try it. Oh my god.
Is it spicy or good?
It's so good. The next thing I got was a brisket slider, and I also got a passion fruit slush. So I got one too. I've got some coffee. So let's try it.
Pay for that.
Oh, this is spicy.
$5. Oh, really? That's pretty good for $5. Oh, $7?
I got the fried green tomatoes with blue crab something, remoulade, smoked paprika. This is the lemon magdalena cake with fig compote and sangria gel.
That's good. 8.5, 9, right around there.
Perfect.
That's good.
Cold wind is calling and the sky is clear and bright. Misty mountains sing and beckon to me out into the night. I will ride, I will climb, chase the wind and touch.
Happy summer snow day from me to you.
Time for Frozen. Let's go.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun.
Okay, so we're about to go on Living with the Land, and then we are going to go on Nemo and watch the fish get fed over at the aquarium. And then I think we're gonna go back to the hotel to chill out for a bit, and then come back later because tonight is the debut of the fireworks since it shut down from COVID. So we're gonna be watching the Epcot fireworks show tonight. So stay tuned.
Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
In the vegetation containing natural fertilizers can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals. In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert sea coasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water.
It's time for Nemo. Going under the sea. Okay, so we just finished up in the aquarium. We missed the fish feeding, but that's okay. And now we're going to go into the butterfly garden. Okay, so we went to the pineapple promenade stand. Emily got this spicy hot dog. We both got Dole Whips with Fanta. Look at Sydney. Sydney's feet got blisters, so she's walking barefoot on the boardwalk.
It's a lot.
It's almost 7 p.m. now, and we've been at the hotel for a while, just like chilling out, freshening up. It was like pouring. We're gonna head back out to Epcot. We want to go on Spaceship Earth and Soarin' and eat food and watch the fireworks. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to vlog just because of rain, and I don't want any water getting in my camera. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna vlog on my phone. So, sorry, but there's literally nobody here. We're walking to Epcot and literally everybody's exiting. We're about to check in and we're gonna go straight to Soarin' because all the wait times are like 15 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so we've made it from International Gateway all the way over to Soarin'. Gang's all here in our raincoats. We're ready to take flight. Round number 2. We're here eating at Sunshine Seasons. I got chicken and rice. Okay, we finished dinner. We're over here at Spaceship Earth. We're gonna ride it and then get dessert, 3 caballeros, fireworks. Did you click English?
She got it.
Okay, I know you can't see me, but I just got a violet lemonade. They just did the fireworks announcement saying that there's like 30 minutes left. And the music? The music.
I mean, you're hearing this. Probably not.
So, it's 9:34. We're gonna go ride 3 caballeros and then watch some fireworks. So, let's go.
Oh my.
Switch.
Oh my god.
One little spark of inspiration
We call it epcot.
is at the heart of our creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark